Hello everyone, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy and a fast Christmas tree. So to make this Christmas tree, you are going to need your main color. Mine is polyacrylic. It has 50 grams, 60 meters, and it says to work with 8mm hooks or needles. You are also going to need polyfill. To make your embellishments, you are going to need also some yarn. This is way much thinner. It is Ricorumi, 10 grams, 50 meters. It says to work with a 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook. You are also going to need yarn needle, some very small Christmas bubbles, and you are going to need a 6mm crochet hook to make your Christmas tree. And for the embellishment, you are going to need a 3mm crochet hook, and you are also going to need a pair of scissors. So let me clear this off and get started with the tutorial. So take your 6mm crochet hook and your main yarn and make a magic ring. Now go ahead and pull up a loop, chain one to secure, and now inside of the magic ring we are going to make 6 single crochets. So for round 1 you are going to have 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you are going to close your magic ring, and I'm going to leave this tail outside of my work, so on the right side of the work, because I'm going to use this later on to attach one of the Christmas bubbles on top of the tree. We are going to work in the round, and we are going to work into the back loop only of each stitch. So go ahead and slip stitch to your first stitch. Now you are going to chain 1, and for round 2 we are going to make 1 increase, 1 single crochet, increase, single crochet. So increase, and you are working into the back loop only. Single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and your last stitch is going to be a single crochet. Now at the end of your round 2 you are going to have a total of 9 single crochets. Now go ahead to your first stitch and slip stitch like so, and chain 1. For round 3 you are going to single crochet in each stitch around, so single crochet 9, slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 to step up. For round 4 you are going to make 1 increase and then single crochet 2, 1 and 2, 1 increase and single crochet 2, 1 increase and single crochet 2. Slip stitch to close this round. At the end of round 4, you are going to have a total of 12 stitches. Now for round 5 and round 6, you are going to sew chain 1 and then just single crochet over your stitches, just like so. So for round 5 and round 6. For round 7, you are going to increase your first stitch and then single crochet 3. So 1, 2 and 3. 1 increase, single crochet 3. 1, 2, 3. And again 1 increase and single crochet 3. Slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 to step up. Now for round 8, round 9 and round 10, you are going to single crochet over your 15 stitches. For round 11, you are going to start with 1 increase and then single crochet 4. Increase and then single crochet 4. And again 1 increase and then single crochet 4. 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 to step up. Now you are going to, so at the end of your round 11, you are going to have a total of 18 single crochets. Now you are going to single crochet 3 rounds without increasing. So for round 12, round 13 and round 14, you are going to single crochet over your 18 single crochets. Round 15, you are going to start with 1 increase and then single crochet 5. So this is going to be your repeat all the way around. 1 increase and 5 single crochets. At the end of round 15, you are going to have a total of 21 single crochets. Round 16, 17 and 18 work over with your 21 stitches. Now go ahead and keep going, increasing in this fashion until you reach your desired length. I'm going to work off camera and then meet you back to tell you how many rounds that I've made and how many stitches. And also don't forget to make your 3 rounds without increasing in between your increase rounds. Okay, so my tree is also filled with a polyfill. I've worked a total of 38 rounds and I have a total of 36 stitches. Now it's time to create the bottom of the tree, and for this we are going to work in the round, make a magic ring, pull up a loop, chain 1 to secure, and inside of the magic ring you are going to make 6 single crochets. Now close your magic ring and slip stitch to your very first stitch, chain 1 to step up, and this doesn't count as a stitch. Now the next round we are going to increase in each stitch. At the end of round 2 you are going to have a total of 12 single crochets. For round 3 you are going to single crochet 1 and then 1 increase. So this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way around. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 4 you are going to single crochet 2 and 1 increase. This is your repeat all the way around. At the end of round 4 you are going to have a total of 24 single crochets. Round 5 you are going to single crochet 3 and then 1 increase. At the end of the round 5 you are going to have a total of 30 single crochets. Round 6 and also my last round you are going to single crochet 4 and then 1 increase. At the end of the round you are going to have a total of 36 single crochets. So I have 36 stitches on my tree and also on the bottom. Now I'm going to fill my tree firmly and then start attaching the bottom to the tree. So I'm going to slip stitch all the way around. You can also do this with your yarn needle if you like. So now go ahead and chain 1 to step up, and you are going to go in your first stitch, and on the tree you are going to pick only the front loop and then slip stitch and go into the next stitch, so under both loops, and on your tree only the front loop, and make your slip stitch. So this is how you are going to work all the way around. And once you have a little bit of the opening, you are going to put more polyfill inside, so to make sure that your tree is sturdy. Okay, so the tree it's now done. Now it's time to make the embellishments. Now I'm going to show you how to attach a Christmas bubble on top of your tree, though I've decided to switch. I didn't like the look, so I've decided to glue a star on top of my Christmas tree. But though for those of you who want to um, put a Christmas bubble on top, this is how you are going to do this. Okay, so now it's time for the embellishment. So go ahead and work with your 3mm hook, make a slip knot and attach your yarn to your front loop from the tree with a single crochet. And now we are going to work into these front loops all the way around, and we are going to make double crochets, and in each front loop we are going to make 2 double crochets. Go ahead and work all the way around until you reach the end of the round. At the end of the round, you are going to single crochet in this last stitch right here. And then I'm going to go to the next round, working into the front loop only and working my double crochets. So 2 double crochet in each stitch. And I'm also going to start incorporating my Christmas bubbles every now and then. And to do this, you are going to take your Christmas bubble and go with the hook through the loop of the Christmas bubble, and chain 1 to secure your bubble to your embellishment, and then make a double crochet. And this is how you are going to attach all of your bubbles and work your double crochets until you finish this round. And at the end of the round, you are going to make one single crochet in this very last stitch. And from now on, I'm going to start skipping one round. So to make my embellishment, I'm going to skip one round and then work into the next. Okay, so as I told you, I'm going to um, leave one round undone in between my embellishments, and I'm going to work my double crochets. So in each stitch, 2 double crochets and attaching my Christmas bubbles. And yeah, this is how you are going to work all the way down your Christmas tree. And once you have this done, you are just going to weave in all of your loose ends and your Christmas tree is all done. So this is how it looks like, my finished tree. As I've told you before, I've decided to change the top, so I've glued a star on top of my Christmas tree, and I think it looks way much better like this. I am at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today. I wish you all happy crocheting. Until next time, bye bye.